Let's talk about R&D credits. Research and development credits are a payroll-based credit available for any business with a product or process that can be quantified. Activities and costs related to developing or improving a product or a process often qualify for R&D tax credits. Anybody that is doing computer programming or is in the biotech field or any scientific sort of industry, most of these businesses understand R&D and probably are taking advantage of it. But there are many businesses out there that maybe you don't even think about. Manufacturing is one, tool and die, food services, even construction, because there are processes and there are tools that these organizations use that can qualify for R&D tax credits. So the benefits of having an R&D tax credit study performed, what are they? Well, there's one is a dollar-for-dollar credit against taxes owed or taxes that you've previously paid. You've got a carry-forward credit for future profitable years. You've got an immediate increase in company cash flow by taking advantage of R&D, and the credit averages about $25,000 for every $1 million of total company payroll. So what do most companies do? Well, they look at the people in their employ and they say, look at this person doesn't do any R&D, this person doesn't do any R&D, this person doesn't do any R&D. But these three people, they seem to do computer programming, or maybe they're doing some scientific work. So we're going to take those people's salary and we're going to apply for our R&D credit. And they will certainly get an R&D credit, but they might be missing out on the bigger dollars that might be available. Well, what do we do with R&D credits? Well, one, we survey the entire employee population. In this way, we can determine who might be doing R&D and who might be doing R&D only part of the time. What we find is people up even to the CEO probably do some R&D in their daily job duties. We can go back 3 years and capture R&D that might have been missed in the previous 3 tax years, and we can do this without filing an amended return. These credits can be carried forward for 20 years, so if you're not able to use them immediately, they can be held and carried over and used in future years to offset taxes owed. And startups have even additional benefits that might be available to them. So startup benefits for R&D tax credits as a payroll tax offset. So a startup firm is any firm with less than $5 million of annual gross receipts. Many startup firms have no taxable income because they have costs that have come in that startup process that they're able to deduct, and therefore not showing any profit that they can be taxed on. So how can they use R&D? Well, a startup can use these tax credits, these R&D tax credits, to offset their payroll taxes. And they can do this for up to $250,000 a year, and they can do this for as long as 5 years. So this can be a great boon to a startup company that has employees, is paying salaries, and would like to offset those salaries with this R&D credit. Any tax credit that they can't use to offset those payroll taxes can certainly be saved and pushed forward into those profitable years in the future. And there may be additional benefits for the investors of these startup companies. We are here to help you succeed. We are Homeland Consulting Group. Feel free to contact us so that we can start an R&D program for you to see how much that we can save you and your organization. Visit our website, homelandconsultinggroup.com.